Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. This matters because pairing needs power and proximity. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone, then power the watch and launch the companion app. Once the app opens, allow Bluetooth and location access so the phone can discover the watch. You will usually see a prompt to start pairing. Tap Start or Pair. Make sure you keep the devices close and avoid other active Bluetooth devices nearby. This reduces interference and speeds detection. Once the phone finds the watch, select its name in the list and verify the pairing code shown on both screens. Confirming prevents accidental connections. Make sure the watch can access Wi-Fi or cellular if it needs firmware updates. Those often installed during pairing. Allow the app to sync contacts, calendar, and health data so notifications and tracking work right away. Be patient. Syncing can take several minutes, and progress bars indicate what's happening under the hood. You finish by following the on-screen setup. Choose a watch face, confirm notification settings, and finalize permissions. Test a call, a message, and an activity sync to verify functionality. If firmware updates are available, install them now. They fix many early issues. If something goes wrong, first restart both devices and toggle Bluetooth, then try pairing again. This simple step resolves most problems. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall the companion app before deeper resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.